All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Jeep Renegade. It is the limited edition 4x4 gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice. And best of all, 26,000 miles. Your front bumper looks pretty damn good. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is just under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Tire thread here is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to this. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It's a push start system. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. That's working. It's right here. Boom. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got heated seats, heated steering. You got, does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues except for airbag light on. And there's your mileage of 26,975. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Open up, turn on the lights. And the trunk opens up with a button. All right. Here's of course your rear, yes, your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This carpet is a little skew here. Boom. All right. Coming around, rear bumper. That section looks good. This section looks pretty decent, but as you can see, it did receive a hit here on the back lift gate. Now it does open up, and here you go for the damages. Boom, and then a little warping here on this side. All right, and some over here on this side. Okay, so you can see it from underneath. That's what it looks like. Okay, it's probably repairable, but I'm not sure of it. And this is what it looks like here. Seems to have a dent here. Alright. Probably the impact is bent, I would say so. And the rest of the bumper looks good. And this quarter looks good. As you can see, looks good. Let's check it out. Open this up here. Of course, you got your spare tire here with some tools there. Spare tire, and there tucked away your owner's manuals. So you can check that out. Now this door, like I was saying, does close well, so that's good. Looks good here. Here's your rear passenger rim. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Now this here is a cup holder, an armrest with cup holder there. This door looks good. Here's the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is just under 7/32 above 4. Lights are all working. Car looks good. Folks, once again, this is 16 Jeep Renegade. It is the limited 4x4 with 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.